Okay, here we are inside a 2006 smart car, Canadian edition with a .8 CDI. I wanted to show you the 3 bars, but I've already disconnected a lot of stuff, so I'm getting the 0 now, and neutral, and 0 when I go to reverse. I know I had the famous 3 bars here before. I scanned the engine. Now I don't know how easy this is to see on video. I'll try and zoom in here. And here's what I'm really looking at here. The glow plug and the fuel rail, that's nothing. That's because of something that I was doing. But 715 and 702 are the turbine speed and transmission control electrical. And of course, it would shift. So I removed all the wiring. I didn't believe I had a bad sensor. I still don't believe I had a bad sensor. But what you're going to see here, if I can find my flashlight again, is I removed the back wheel, chocked the machine, and I have disconnected the electrical to the actuator, speed sensor. I've removed the shift control sensor, and just a linkage for the main wiring harness and the other little sensor in there on the transmission. And I pulled the wiring harness up through the back here beside the airbox. It was going down, say, right here. So it's just easy, just unplug everything, cut a couple of quick ties, and pull it up through. So I decided to check all the wiring. And there is a bit of an issue with some of this wiring in some of the places. It's very dirty down there. And I found my problem, I believe. We'll see here shortly. Here it is right here. The last small little sensor in beside the actuator. And if you can see that broken white wire, I don't know how easy that is to see here. And if you look closely, you'll see that it's broken just about all the way through. So I've gone through all the rest of the wiring harness. I don't see any issues so far. So I'm going to make a repair on this wire and redo the loom. The loom here is in bad shape, and clean everything all up. Use some electrical cleaner, clean out the connections, put it back together, and we'll see where we stand then.